Good afternoon from Grand Family Farm. Today we finally got the license plate for our little Jeep, the collector's plate, and this is how it showed up here in the mail. Typical U.S. Post Office. You know, these things aren't cheap. Washington State charges a lot of money for this little piece of aluminum here, so they could have taken a little bit better care of it. Anyway, we'll be mounting it on the YJ here today. So get that piece of paper off the back window and then throw the tape that's stuck to the window over there. So it's been a while. It took a while to get this license plate. Here we got the license plate straightened out. I'm just going to mount it. A little difficult here with the way the guest caps on these YJs. Kind of pain. Anyway, it's officially a collector's vehicle. We gotta clean this thing up. Do some body work and frame work on it this year. Get a new paint job. And pull all these stickers off there. Anyway, that's that. Don't have to pay for tabs anymore. And there it is. Yeah, pull this hard card out and she's ready to go down the road. Thanks for watching.